Hey guys, this is Elias with Softfly, and today I'm going to show you how to import Meta Box WordPress fields using WP All Import and the Meta Box import add-on. Now guys, the first step is get our files, so I'm going to do that. Right, and then I'm going to select the post type I want to import, which in this case is this very obvious Meta Box post type. Right, so I'm going to continue to step 2. And here on step 2, we just need to review our import file and make sure everything looks good. Now we do have 100 rows to be imported, which is 100 posts. And then these are the columns with the data we're going to import. You can see it's very, very simple. And the reason for this is because, guys, in this video, we're only going to focus, like I said before, in the Meta Box WordPress fields. Now, if you want to know more about how to import other kinds of fields with maybe more complex data and perhaps a real-world example of it, you can check out the other videos in our channel or go to our website at wpallimport.com. For now, let's just continue to step 3 and drag and drop our title here. Now, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to look for the Meta Box add-on section. Now, this is going to get all the field groups we created using Meta Box for the post type we're importing. So in this case, I have this field group, so I'm going to enable that, and WP All Import will fetch all of the fields created in that post type. Now I'm going to show you how this actually looks here in WordPress. So I'm going to go here, and here we have our title and description, and then we have our example fields. Now these example fields are going to get some data directly from WordPress. So we have here this post field, which is going to be fetching some posts. I created it here in WordPress. You can see here Meta Box posts 1, 2, and 3. And in this taxonomy advanced field, it's gonna do the same just with taxonomies. Right, so I did that here too. And finally, we have here this user field, which is gonna pull some users you have created in WordPress. So we have these 3 users. Now this is all of the fields we have in this video. So I'm gonna go back to WP All Import and just drag and drop some stuff into those fields. Now for these 2 fields, for the posts and the taxonomy advanced, you will need to drag and drop elements that contains either the title, the ID, or the slug of the post or taxonomy you want to associate, right? So this is what I have here. I have it with the titles. So if I drag and drop this here, that will mean that this post, Garlag Hackett, it's going to have this post attached and this taxonomy too, right? And this user, of course. So I'm going to drag and drop that. And for the users, you will need to use either the ID, the username, or the email of an existing user. Now, this import won't create users for you guys. This is very important, right? So if you want to create users, you will have to do that manually or use our users import add-on. You can check that out at wpallimport.com. And if you have some questions about that, just don't worry and contact our support team. We will be more than happy to help you out. For now, guys, I believe we're pretty much ready here. So I'm just going to scroll down a little bit and continue to step 4. And here on step 4, we need a unique identifier, which is a way WP All Import has of telling one record apart from the other. But if you don't want to overthink this too much, you can just click on the auto detect button and WP All Import will choose the right one for you. Now, the settings, I'm going to leave them as they are. I believe they are pretty much self-explanatory, so you can just read labels. And if you want to know more, you can hover on the question marks and it will give you a more detailed description of what this option does, right? And finally here we have these scheduling options, and this is pretty cool, guys, because say you need to import this or you need to run this import maybe on a daily basis, right? Or maybe you need to run this once a week or something like that. Well, although WP All Import makes it very simple to run imports, maybe you don't want to do it manually because of reasons. You can use these scheduling options to automate that. Now, again, guys, we have other videos on this, and you can check those out because they are pretty cool. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and click continue, and then run my import. Now, this is going to be very fast because we don't have any complex data to be imported. And as you can see, WP All Import says it's finished importing our data. So I'm going to go here to the Meta Box post type. And you can see we have 100 posts, which is great because this is the number we expected. Now I'm gonna, let's see, open this one up. All right, so we have our title, and then we have our 3 fields correctly set up. Now you can see these have some data, and if I go maybe here, you can see it has other data. So this is pretty cool. This is working. Each one of these posts has different data, and there you have it, guys. That's pretty much it. Now guys, like I said before, if you want to know more about how to import more complex data with real world examples, you can check the other videos in our channel or go to our website. And if you're using not Metabox, but maybe Jet Engine or ACF to handle your custom fields and your post types and whatnot, you can also check out the other videos we have on that. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time.